Hey guys, it's Blake here doing a quick review of this awesome Home Hero knife set that I just got. This thing is impressive. It has every single type of knife you could ever want. It has the small and a kind of medium size, just normal cutting knife, has a long serrated bread style knife, a normal size kind of chef knife, as well as the same thing skinnier and longer, a kind of butter or bread style knife, more for butter, of course, pizza cutting knife. Go to the back side here. You have a whole set of 6 steak knives. These are very nice as well. Hopefully that'll focus. And overall, this is a great set. Has a potato carrot peeler on this side, as well as a very nice pair of scissors here that has a serrated side on there as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and test, see how these cut here. Let's go. Very good. One hand, don't even have to support it there with the big one. Let's use the other big one that's a little bit smaller. Cuts right through, no problem. You can see. Let's go for a smaller one. Let's see here. Cuts right through. So these knives are very good, very sharp, fresh out of the box. Let's go ahead and test one last one. I'll do the very small one. So let's see here. Yep, so all of these cut very, very well. This is a not super ripe tomato as well to kind of show off the knives here. So overall, I'm very, very happy with this knife set. Very sharp out of the box and cuts very well. So I hope you enjoyed my review and quick demo of this awesome knife set and have a great rest of your day.